going on YouTube? I'm Dab.
And I'm Jazz.
This is Alex. He's interested in his
mommy.
Today is Taco Tuesday, and today we are going to be cooking what, babe?
Beef nacho skillet.
So stay tuned and about to have some fun. What you think, Alex? Huh? Tell me what you want to know. Say,
I'm any assistant for today. Say hi, YouTube.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, not today. Okay.
Tell them to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the post notifications. Hit that bell. Okay, well, without further ado, we'll get into the video.
Taco Tuesday. What inspired you to do this recipe today, babe?
Pinterest again, y'all.
What are these ingredients, honey? I mean, even though it looks self-explanatory.
Ground beef, water, cheese, onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, well, diced tomatoes, some Spanish rice, corn, red bell peppers. This is my seasonings, and these are jalapenos.
Now guys, that ground beef is extra lean ground beef. Typically we eat ground turkey around these pods, but turkey just wouldn't go right with this dish. It's not, just don't give it that oomph. So we just had to use extra lean ground beef. Forgive us, we'll be back on the turkey soon.
I'm gonna brown this ground beef and then we'll be back.
Okay, people.
And this is literally put everything in the pot and walk away recipe. 15 minutes. The hard part is, well, not hard, but the time consuming part is just browning the meat.
Dang.
Everything else, cook your fill.
Are you gonna make your onions and your vegetables translucent, or you just gonna throw them in there?
When this meat gets about half done, I'm going to probably put them in there.
Okay. So how you people doing today? Well, Alex said he wanted to be in the shot. Come on, let's talk to him, son.
Tell them to comment down below how your Taco Tuesday's going. And what they eating, what y'all eating for Taco Tuesday?
So guys, tell us how your Taco Tuesday went. Ours is going pretty good so far. Got to see my mom today, got to see my uncle. So it's been a pretty relaxing, chill day thus far.
Okay. Now that it's half done, first I'm gonna put half of our seasonings in there. Cause I'm gonna drain this anyway, so I don't want it all to be.
Can't lose it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put, hey, Alex trying to get the onions. Get onions, babe.
Put them in there, say I want help.
Okay, so now we're gonna put in
Get the
our
jalapenos.
Okay, so now that it's done, I'm gonna drain it and then move it out.
Get him. You want to give him a hug? So give me hugs. Oh, you want another hug? Okay. He said he loves you guys. He can't get enough of hugging yous.
Okay.
Everything else?
I've drained the meat, so now here is the easy part. Throwing all these ingredients in. The rest of our seasonings.
Yeah.
Our rice. You're very colorful. I think this is the most colorful Taco Tuesday we've had.
It's still gonna be delicious and nutritious.
Give it a good stir. Because now we're gonna do the easy part. Put a top on it and walk away.
Bang! When it comes to food in this household, we like simplicity at times because we got kids, so we need food to be dancing while we ain't touching it. We love crock pot meals, Man.
Now, as y'all know, Bae likes spicy, so the jalapenos weren't a part of the ingredient, so I just put them in there anyway. But I don't want them to get too done, so when they get
soggy jalapenos.
Who you talking to? You want to tell them? Okay, we're coming back in 15 minutes. Okay.
Put the man out there with all his cookies.
Cover and walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Walk away. While we wait our 15 minutes with our with our beef nacho chilling, I decided to finish laundry. Y'all mamas know about that. When you get a minute to sit down, you're doing something else for at home. But anyway, we wanted to give y'all a little motivation for today. Babe,
your lane is just as important as anyone else's, so don't allow people to swerve into your lane and direct your traffic. You need to continue to move at the pace you're moving. Sometimes it might not be the right pace, but you know, you have to get to know yourself so that you can definitively know when you tell people, nah, I'm good. So know yourself so that when people try to swerve in your lane, you can kick them back on to the slow lane where they was moving in the first place.
Okay, now back to our beef nacho. Okay, so our 10 minutes is up. Oh, and we cooking. So now what I want to do is our last step. A cup of cheese, Fiesta cheese if you like, and those jalapenos. We're gonna stir it up. Cover it back up. Ten more minutes. Okay, guys, we're all done. Gonna add some more cheese. And voila. Okay, babe, you wanna taste it?
Of course. Why wouldn't I?
I'll feed it to you.
It looks vibrant, like the spring.
It's hot, sorry.
What's good?
It's good? Yay! Beef nacho. Look it up on Pinterest.
Now that we got you, although we hate to see you go, don't forget to like this video, comment, share,
Subscribe.
and hit the notification bell if you hadn't. We would love to have you as a part of the family. We don't know what you're waiting on. See you later, guys. Peace.